Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm back again with another Bokeh Cityscape. I hope you're not bored of these yet because I really enjoy painting them. For this piece, I didn't really like it at first. I felt as if I didn't blur the background as much as I should. I decided to set my rose on fire in the foreground to bring the attention away from the buildings behind, and I think it looks pretty cool. At this point, we can ascertain that the rose is a staple to the cityscapes. For me, a city where steel towers rise like skyscraper giants and the hum of traffic drowns out the chirps of morning birds, it's easy to forget that beauty often grows in the most unexpected places. Enter the rose, a symbol of romance and elegance that doesn't care whether it's planted in a manicured garden or a cracked sidewalk pot. The concrete jungle with all the bustling chaos provides the perfect backdrop for such rebellious blooms. A rose growing from a sidewalk crack might seem like an anomaly, proof that beauty can persist even in the harshest environments. It's a reminder that nature and resilience have a way of sneaking through, even in the most urban of jungles. To me, the roses in the city are an act of defiance against the monotony of concrete. They pop up in the most unlikely of spots, the forgotten corner of an alley, the neglected window box of an apartment, or even an old abandoned lot. And despite the odds, they thrive, waving their petals like little flags of hope amid the chaos. Perhaps that's what draws me to them. In a place where everything is constantly moving, the rose stands still, offering something rare, a moment of beauty, a splash of color, and a reminder that even in a city of concrete, something soft and fragile can endure. Roses, like cities, are made of layers, some soft and fragrant, others sharp and thorny, but both are capable of surprising us if only we slow down long enough to notice. So the next time you're rushing through the city streets, pause for a moment, look closely, you might just spot a rose quietly turning the world's steel grey into a brighter shade of red. Anyway, I hope you like this painting. This piece is listed on Etsy, link is in the description below, and so without further ado, let's begin.
I've seen the world, done it all, had my cake now. Diamonds, brilliant and brilliant now. Hot summer nights, mid July, when you and I were forever wild. The crazy days, city lights, the way you play with me like a child. Will you still love me when I'm no longer young and beautiful? Will you still love me when I got nothing but my aching soul? I know you will, I know you will, I know that you will. Will you still love me when I'm no longer beautiful? Seen the world, lit it up as my stage now. Channeling angels in the new age now. Hot summer days, rock and roll, the way you play for me at your show. And all the ways I got to know the pretty face and electric soul. Will you still love me when I'm no longer young and beautiful? Will you still love me when I got nothing but my aching soul? I know you will, I know you will, I know that you will. Will you still love me when I'm step that I take, but I'm hoping at the gates they'll tell me that you're mine. Walking through the city streets, is it by mistake or design? I feel so alone on the Friday nights. Can you make it feel like home if I tell you you're mine? It's like I told you, honey, don't make me sad, don't make me cry. Sometimes love is not enough and the road gets tough. I don't know why, keep making me laugh. Let's go get high. The road is long, we carry on. Try to have fun in the meantime. Come take a walk on the wild side. Let me kiss you hard in the pouring rain. You're like your cousin say. So choose your last words. This is the last time. 'Cause you and I, we were born to die. But now I am found. I can see, but once I was blind. I was so confused as a little child, trying to take what I could get, scared that I couldn't find all the answers, honey. Don't make me sad, don't make me cry. Sometimes love is not enough and the road gets tough. I don't know why, keep making me laugh. Let's go get high. The road is long, we carry on. Try to have fun in the meantime. Come and take a walk on the wild side. Let me kiss you hard in the pouring rain. You're like your cousin say. So choose your last words. This is the last time. 'Cause you and I, we were born to die. We were born to die. We were born to die. Come take a walk on the wild side. Let me kiss you hard in the pouring rain. You're like your cousin say. So don't make me sad, don't make me cry. Sometimes love is not enough and the road gets tough. I don't know why, keep making me laugh. Let's go get high. The road is long, we carry on. Try to have fun in the meantime. Come take a walk on the wild side. Let me kiss you hard in the pouring rain. You're like your cousin say. So choose your last words. This is the last time. 'Cause you and I, we were born to die. We were born to die. We were born